Meaning of IKEA.
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 IKEA. IKEA is a Swedish company that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, home accessories, and kitchen appliances. Its name is an acronym for Ingvar Kamprad Elmträd Gunnarid, the founder's name and the name of his hometown in Sweden. The company was founded in 1943 and has since grown to become one of the largest furniture retailers in the world. IKEA is known for its modern and affordable designs, as well as its focus on sustainability and eco-friendly products. Apart from furniture, IKEA also sells food, toys, and other household items.